In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable 3D map on Apple Maps. If you've ever wanted to bring your travel planning to life or gain a better perspective of a location, enabling the 3D view can do just that. Let's dive in and explore how you can activate this feature and enjoy a more immersive experience with Apple Maps. To get started, the first thing you'll need to do is open up the Apple Maps app on your device. It's a built-in app for iPhones and iPads, so no need to download anything extra. Once you have it open, you'll want to ensure you're looking at an area that supports the 3D feature. Apple has specifically modeled some cities with more detailed 3D data, so if you're eager to see this feature in all its glory, I'd recommend searching for a major city like New York, San Francisco, or London. These cities are known for their detailed 3D renderings, which make the feature particularly impressive. Now, once you are in a supported area and see the map on your screen, the way to switch from a standard 2D map to a 3D view is by using a simple touch gesture. This involves placing two fingers on the map screen and then dragging them upwards. Think of it as giving the screen a gentle push towards a perspective view. By doing this, you'll see the flat bird's eye view shift into a more dynamic, tilted 3D perspective. It's a simple yet effective way to start exploring locations more vividly. Next, for an even greater level of detail, you'll want to zoom in on the map. You can do this by pinching the screen with two fingers. As you zoom in closer, you'll begin to notice buildings, landmarks, and other structural details popping into a three-dimensional view where you can actually see depth, shadows, and textures. This transformation offers a much more realistic look at the area you're exploring, and it's a great way to get a feel for the layout and architecture of a place. Keep in mind, while the 3D view is an exciting feature, its effectiveness depends on the availability of detailed mapping data for the location you're exploring. In those cities where Apple has gone the extra mile to provide 3D data, you'll find the experience far more engaging and informative. This feature is especially useful for planning trips or getting familiar with a new area before you visit. And there you have it. With just a few steps, you can turn your Apple Maps experience from simple navigation into an explorative journey with visually engaging three-dimensional detail. This tool not only enhances your map viewing, but also provides a richer interaction with the world right from your screen. Enjoy exploring in 3D and happy mapping.